All right, students, we are back again for another session of
You
Yes. So, we are going to spin the wheel. If you're on the wheel, that means you've been to your lessons, you've completed all of your work and turned it in. As you can see, the list is getting smaller and smaller. So, we want to encourage you all to please turn in your work, to come to your lessons, because yes, we are checking, and yes, we are looking to see whether you came. Now, some of you said, oh, I turned in all my work for you. Yes, but you may not have turned in your work for Dr. Datcher. You may not have turned in your work for Miss Henry. You may not have turned it in for Miss McGuire. So please make sure you're turning in all of your assignments. And the best way to do that is to follow that daily agenda that we're sending out to you. So make sure you're looking on your agenda and just checking it off as you're completing it. All right. So I'm going to do the honors. Are we ready?
Yes.
All right. Here we go. Big money, big money, big money. Woo! And the winner is Alan! Yes, Alan, you have won yourself a thank you card and a $10 gift card. So go ahead and send me your information so that way I can mail you out your gift card. All right, guys, see you again next week for another round of
You
Woo! Bye, guys.